Hello again. Pro-Cyl is a green company, and we would like to show another important short video. In this clip, Mr. Craig Hamernik, owner of USA Made Torch Products, will break down an exclusive USA Made kit designed to save the operator money. Remember, this gas labeled as Hydromat Plus is specially designed with the operator in mind. Gauge settings on the outlet side will be lower than acetylene or even propylene. Pro-Cyl saying is, less means more. Visit our website where the product called Hydromat Plus is tested for its great performance on the actual job sites in several different factories across the country. Also, watch on the website www.pro-cyl.com for reviewing of Less Means More. Pro-Cyl did actual factory on-the-floor cutting, soldering, and brazing to prove the above saying. Plus, a printout chart setting is also available on the above website that will help and guide you through suggested settings. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the website and videos that illustrate how great Hydromat Plus is.
Good morning. My name is John Webb with Pro-Cyl. I'm the co-founder of a company that sells gases. Alongside of me is Mr. Craig Hamernik, Premier Industry, and he's going to be talking about a kit offering for the personnel industry like Fleet Farm and OEM accounts and things up in the farm fields. And our kit he'll go through completely. Before we get into the kit, Hydromat was designed to reduce the visibility of the flame, so you don't need a dark lens or a number 5. You can go to a number 2 with side shields. We always recommend side shields on safety glasses. The kit is in front of me right now, but one thing before I give it over to Craig, we do have a laminated handout that covers the cutting pressure settings, the regulator, and basically your curve for the width of the cut. So all these charts are available in the kits. They're for hand cutting, like I said before, and they're also for machine cutting. Now the kit is in front of you, and I'll let Craig explain to you the kit in full detail.
Thank you, John. The kit that you see here in front of you is put together by Premier Industries and National Torch. National Torch has been out there for many, many years, a very dependable torch. The heart and soul of the kit is obviously the 2 regulators. You have one for oxygen, one to be used with the Pro-Cyl gas, and they're a single stage regulator, been very durable. The oxygen regulator has been out in the market for many, many years. Very good product. We have some other accessories that will come with it. You have a striker that will be in the kit. You also have a tip cleaner that will be in the kit. We also have flashback arresters. The flashback arresters are made for this type of gas. They're also put right onto the regulator, and what that does for you, it gives you protection for the regulator, for your gas source, but it keeps the weight off the torch. So those are some of the safety things. The other thing that it comes with is a 12.5 foot hose that is grade T. It's got A fittings on one end which would attach to the torch, and it's got B size fittings on the other end that would attach to the flashback arresters that are on the regulator. The heart and soul are really what you're going to use in your hand is our 3H National Torch. It comes standard with an 8-inch elbow. We also have elbows that you can get that are 4.5 inch or 12 inch. Depending on what your needs are. You can also get one that is bent like this one, or you can get a straight one. This torch head, you can turn and rotate the neck on this, or the elbow, 360 degrees, so you can turn it any way you want to get a fit to your hand properly, or whatever job you're doing. So this is really the heart and soul of it. It's got A-size fittings like I mentioned before, the 8-inch elbow, and then you can attach many different tips to this. The kit itself is going to come with 2 tips. They're right here in front. We have a single orifice tip like this one. This would be used mainly for your soldering, brazing, things like that. It also comes with a multi-orifice tip. This tip would be used if you want to heat up a larger surface, and is very good at that. It's a hush tip, so it's relatively quiet and does a very nice job. Now we have different sizes of those tips. The kit right now that we have here is going to come with a OX3 tip in the single orifice tip, and it'll come with the HT3 tip, which is our hush tip. We have tips that are larger and smaller, so it gives you a lot of variety as far as tips you can select from. If you want to see what tips are available, you can go to our website at www.nationaltorch.com, and you click on the tip selector or tip page. It'll bring up all the tips that we have available. Many of those will fit with this torch.
I'd like to add in too, we're bringing this torch to the market for a lot of good reasons, but we're also including HydroMap Plus. And together, this gives you a beautiful kit, but it gives you the gas that burns clean. And if you look at the tips that Craig was talking about that you put on, you just screw that tip in. You don't have to change the blow tube in the mixer, and you go to different size tips. But the other point that I want to stress once again is this is made out of?
That's made out of brass and plated.
Chrome plated. And the important point about this whole thing is the longevity of that tip. Because of the gas, the HydroMap Plus, because you don't have a basic hydrocarbon based gas like acetylene, that tip isn't going to get that dirty. There's a tip cleaner though in that kit that is going to be offered, so you'll have that available. But once you use this torch, you'll find that you won't have to clean it so much because that black soot won't be present. So that's very important for the operator to know. There's a lot of savings in this, and that's what we enjoy with accompanying with Premier Industry. Now I thank you very much for your time. Take a look at it, and if you have any questions, there's forms to fill out on the website, and there's also 800 numbers to get a hold of myself, and I can discuss any problems or questions that you may have. Other than that, we appreciate the time, we really do, and have a great day.
Thank you for watching, and please visit our website for further information at www.pro-cyl.com. Thank you.